Hello friends, welcome back. Let us discuss about the next type of the connective tissue that is called connective tissue cell, that is called the mast cell. Mast cell is also a type of connective tissue cell. Why? Because this cell is derived from the mesenchymes. That's why we say that this is also a type of connective tissue cell. So the previous lecture was about adipocyte. Now let me write here as mast cell. Actually, mast cell is derived from mesenchyme, but the function of this cell is very different from all the other cells of the connective tissue. Why? Because this cell is responsible for producing immune responses, right? So whenever there is an antigen antibody reaction, whenever there is an allergic reaction in the body, whenever there is the entry of any antigen to your body, and that performs a very immune function, so these cells are activated and they respond to that antigen and they create immune responses. So their most function is protection of our body from certain antigens, certain destroying antigens, right? So what are mast cells? Mast cells are the cells of immune system. I will write cells of immune system. But why we discuss them here in the connective tissue cells? Because they are derived from mesenchymal cells. That's why we say they belong to the connective tissue cells. So what is their shape? The shape of these mast cells is a little bit oval or irregular shape. They have oval or irregular shape, right? So we say they are oval shape, or they may have certain irregular shape. The nuclei and the cytoplasmic contents and other things, and they store histamine mostly, right? And they synthesize histamine very fastly. So these are the mast cells, the immune cells, right? This was about the shape of these cells. Now, what is the number of these cells? So friends, wherever there are blood capillaries, there are nerves in our body, the lymph nodes, around intestines, around your lungs. So every part of your body contains these type of cells. So we say they are present in billions, right? We say mast cells are present in billion numbers. Okay, then what is their lifespan? The lifespan of these mast cells is about 12 weeks. The book have written that they will remain for 12 weeks, right? And they will protect you for 12 weeks, and after 12 weeks they will divide and they will create new cells and they will die, right? So this was about their lifespan. And they are derived from what? Mast cells are derived from, so they are derived from, again we will say that they are derived from mesenchymal cells. Why? Because these mesenchymal cells will produce the connective tissue cells. So mesenchymal cells will generate a type of cell that is called the mast cell, and they will produce severe immune responses, right? Then the next thing, what is their location? Where are these cells located? So wherever under blood vessels, under skin, right? Around blood vessels, in your around your intestines, around intestines, right? Large intestine, small intestine, in lungs, right? And every tissue of the body, we will say every tissue of the body contains these. They are present in lymph nodes. Yeah, they are present in lymph nodes. So the mast cells are present everywhere in your body, friends. Now, the next function, the next important feature, what is their size? The size of the mast cells. So their size is about 16 to 20 micrometer, right? This is their size, 16 to 20 micrometer in size. And what is their function, friends? Their function is quite simple. I told you that they help in immune responses. Immune responses. And sometimes when I had time, I will discuss about the functions of these cells in big detail. How do they respond to antigen and how do they create immune responses? So friends, this was about the mast cell, right? In the next lecture we will go and discuss